The 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.